In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use a text box in your document. This can be a game changer when it comes to designing your pages, giving you the freedom to place text exactly where you want it. Whether you're working on a creative layout, preparing a presentation, or simply adding annotations, mastering the use of text boxes can significantly enhance the visual appeal and clarity of your work. To start with, open your document and navigate to the Insert tab, which you'll find in the top menu on your screen. Clicking on it will reveal a variety of options designed to enrich your document with different elements. Among these options, locate the text box button. Clicking on this will give you a drop-down menu with several styles, and for now, let's choose the simple text box. This is a versatile choice that provides a clean slate for you to work with. Once you've inserted the text box, it's time to input your content. Click inside the box and either type directly or paste the text you already have prepared. This feature is particularly useful if you have pre-written notes or data that you want to sync with the rest of your document, offering a seamless way to incorporate additional information. Now, let's talk about positioning your text box. To move it, click on the border of the box, which will highlight it. You can then hold down your mouse button and drag it to your desired location on the page. The flexibility here is immense, allowing you to experiment with layouts until you find one that perfectly suits your needs. This dragging feature is particularly beneficial when you are working with cluttered or complex pages and need to ensure that every element is precisely positioned. If your goal is to have a more integrated look without the text box standing out, you might want to remove the border around it. To do this, make sure your text box is selected. This will be indicated by a solid line around its border. Head over to the Shape Format tab that appears at the top of the screen. Once you're there, find the Shape Outline option, click on it, and then select No Outline. This step removes the visible border, giving your document a cleaner and more professional appearance. And there you have it, a straightforward method to enhance your document using a text box. Remember that practicing these steps will make the process second nature, so feel free to try inserting text boxes in various projects until you feel completely comfortable with it. By dynamically positioning and formatting your text, you'll be able to create engaging and visually appealing documents with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get the most out of your documents.